Today I talked about the new smartphone model and Honor X9. You can watch this video at the link below. Now I want to talk about another smartphone model, which is called the Honor X7. The Honor X7 mid-range smartphone is presented. The device uses the Qualcomm hardware platform and the Android 11 operating system with the proprietary Magic UI 4.2 interface. The Snapdragon 680 processor is installed. The solution combines 8 Cryo 265 computing cores with a clock speed of up to 2.4 GHz, an Adreno 610 graphics accelerator, and a Snapdragon X11 Leaders TE modem. The amount of RAM is 4 GB. The 128 GB flash drive can be expanded with a microSD card. The screen has a size of 6.74 inches diagonally and has a resolution of HD+ 720 by 1600 pixels. At the top of the display is a small water drop notch for the 8-megapixel front camera. At the back is a system of 4 cameras. These are a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 5-megapixel wide-angle unit, a 2-megapixel sensor for obtaining information about the depth of the scene, and a 2-megapixel component for macro photography. The smartphone has Wi-Fi, a C and Bluetooth 5.1 adapters, USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Power is provided by a 5000 mAh battery, with support for 22.5-watt charging. There is a side fingerprint scanner. The price is not reported yet by the company. Honor has recently announced the Honor X9 mid-range smartphone running the Android 11 operating system with the proprietary Magic UI 4.2 user interface. The device will be offered in midnight black, titanium silver and ocean blue colors. It is based on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor. The 6.81-inch diagonal display has a Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2388 pixels, and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. In a small hole in the center at the top of the screen is a selfie camera based on a 16-megapixel sensor. The rear camera has a 3-component design. The smartphone carries on board 8 GB of RAM and a flash drive with a capacity of 128 GB. There are Wi-Fi, a C and Bluetooth 5.1 wireless adapters, USB Type-C port. Power is provided by a 4800 mAh battery with support for fast 66-watt charging. Price data is not yet available. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel and leave questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you soon.